Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is to find employee bonus. We have two tables, employee table with employee ID and the details about the employees such as supervisor, salary and name, and bonus table with employee ID and their bonus. We need to write a solution to report the name and bonus amount of each employee who satisfies the following two conditions. Either the employee has a bonus less than 1,000 or the employee did not get any bonus. So theoretically we have to join these two tables and display the employee name and bonus where the bonus is either null or less than 1,000. In SQL, we write a select statement and we join two tables. First, we join employee because we are interested in employees first. We need to display the employees and then their bonuses. And we left join the bonus table. We do the left join because if the employee did not get any bonus, the employee ID will not be displayed in bonus table. However, we still need to display them. Therefore, we need all rows from the employee table that satisfy one of the conditions. We join these two tables on their common column called employee ID. In the select statement, we need the name, and the name comes from the employee table, and the bonus, which comes from the bonus table. Now we need the where clause. One of the conditions is that the bonus should be less than 1,000, and the second condition with or operator, the bonus should be null. Let's run the query. We successfully solved this problem in SQL. Let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we merge two tables. First, we merge employee and then bonus table. We specify the column on which we are going to merge these two tables, and the common column is employee ID. And now we say how we want to join that. We join with the left join. Again, we need the left join because we need all rows from employee. If the employee ID does not have any bonus, joining the employee table with bonus table with the left join will bring us the bonus column now. We save this into a new dataset called data frame. Now we need to filter. We have two conditions separated with or operator. First condition, the bonus is less than 1,000. Second condition, bonus is null, is and a is the function. We save this into a new dataset called result, and we are ready to return the result. We return only two columns, name and bonus. Let's run the code. And we successfully solved this problem in Python Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? Filtering with the where clause in SQL or filtering using is and a function in Python Pandas? Let me know in the comments.